This video is going to show how to define custom shortcut keys and configure the shortcut menu in OrCAD X Presto. Creating a PCB design often comes with monotonous and repetitive tasks. The PCB layout process can be accelerated by assigning common tasks and commands to shortcut keys and shortcut menus activated with a right mouse click, which can easily be configured via the Preferences window in OrCAD X Presto. Start by opening a design in OrCAD X Presto. To activate the Preferences window, select Edit Preferences from the menu. The Preferences window opens, showing all configurable options in OrCAD X Presto, such as 3D colors, language, library paths, and more. To configure shortcut keys, select System Shortcuts Hotkeys from the table on the left side of the window. The User Interface table opens to show a list of shortcuts. The shortcuts in this table are commonly used functions not specific to any mode. Let's start by assigning a custom shortcut key to the Zoom Points function. Double-click the cell under Shortcut for Zoom Points to assign the shortcut key. Press the desired key combination on the keyboard to assign to the function. We'll hit Shift-P for this example. The combination is assigned as shown in the table. Click OK to save the changes and close the window. Let's test the newly assigned shortcut key. Press Shift-P in the canvas. The Zoom Points command is activated and can be used as normal. We'll use it to zoom into this portion of the circuit. To return to the full view, press Ctrl-0 on the keyboard. This will run the predefined Zoom Fit command. To clear a shortcut key, return to the Preferences window by selecting Edit Preferences from the menu. The window opens to the Shortcuts panel. Hover over the assigned shortcut key cell for Zoom Points. Click the arrow symbol to revert the shortcut to the default, which for this command is blank. Now let's configure the right mouse button menu with mode-specific functions. Select the Commands tab at the top of the panel. The Commands table opens, showing functions for specific modes. Scroll to the Move Controls section of the table to adjust commands for the move mode. Check the option under RMB menu for the desired command to add it to the menu. For this example, we'll add Slide Etch On/Off. Click OK to save the settings and close the window. Let's test the menu. Select the Move mode from the toolbar. For the Move mode, select a component to attach it to your cursor. By default, the Slide Etch command is active and the traces that connect the selected component move with it. Right-click to open the menu. The Slide Etch On/Off command is visible here, as we specified in the Preferences window. Select the command to detach traces from the component. Choose the Select mode from the toolbar to cancel the Move mode and restore the component to its original location. To remove the command and restore the right mouse button menu to its normal state, select Edit Preferences from the menu. Select the Commands tab in the Shortcuts panel and uncheck the option under RMB menu. The menu is restored to its default settings. Configure custom shortcut menus and keys to reduce the time spent on PCB design tasks and quickly access the required commands to complete your PCB design in OrCAD X Presto. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eva.com and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.